GE versus Samsung front-load washers is an interesting comparison. Like most front-load washers, they look the same and have many of the same advanced features. But there are differences. In this video, you'll learn about mode control, AI programming for cycles, and how automatic dispensers work and why you should consider one. Both companies have innovated how you use your washing machine. However, there are key differences you should know before buying that will make a difference. You want to learn these differences when it's in your home. Both are technologically advanced. You will not be lacking features in either one. As a review, the following are the best features shared by both. GE lists 12 cycles and 10 different options. Samsung lists 23 cycles and 13 options. Yet other than a soak cycle, they have similar features. Samsung's 23 cycles include AI. You'll learn more about that later in the video. You also have 5 wash-rinse combinations for every type of fabric. Steam loosens tough stains in a washer like grass, blood, or wine. Again, most upgraded washers have steam for every manufacturer. Both are a bit larger than the average at 5 cubic foot versus 4.5 cubic foot for many popular front-load washers. Don't be tempted to buy the largest 5.5 to 6 cubic foot sizes. You'll pay up to $700 more for just 1 cubic foot. Although Wi-Fi is a convenience and not necessarily a necessity in appliances, it does make sense for laundry. You can do the basics like turn the machine on or off remotely, check the detergent in the dispenser, but more importantly, you can see the time remaining on your phone and get a text when the cycle is complete. You don't have to go down to your basement for 3 minutes and 12 seconds to stare at a machine. In the GE, the washer sets the drying cycle as well. Like every upgraded machine, you have cycles designed to kill 99% of allergens and even small dust mite colonies. You can wash small loads in under 60 minutes for both Samsung and GE. Mold is a byproduct of standing water. The front-load residual water can pool in the gasket, dispenser, or back of the machine and create mold and its cousin mildew. GE was the first with a comprehensive mold package a few years ago. Samsung copied some of it with CleanGuard antimicrobial surfaces in the gasket and dispenser. GE has the more well-known Microban antimicrobial surfaces on their gasket dispenser. GE also adds their odor block fan to dry any residual moisture left in the machine after the cycle is completed. Although both address the problem, GE has a better solution. Somehow when you hear the term AI, you almost think the robots are coming to get us. However, it's just predictive analytics. Samsung employs AI to recommend your favorite cycles and customize your control panel. It makes suggestions based on your habits. Samsung's multi-control allows you to operate the dryer from the washer. It's useful when you stack and cannot reach the controls of the dryer. GE does not have any AI programming as of this recording, but you still do have tons of cycles for you to choose yourself. The biggest service problem with washers is overloading the dispenser. The excess suds stay in the machine and over time will cause a problem. You only need a small amount of detergent in a front load, not the quarter cup used years ago. Auto dispensers prevent this problem by releasing the right amount of detergent at the right time. GE's dispensers, the second largest after Whirlpool at 32 loads. Not loading every time is another side benefit. It seems like this is an easy feature to execute, but only GE and Electrolux offer a reversible door. In certain situations like stacking or with the washer on the left, reversing makes loading and unloading clothes much more convenient. You can wash and dry an outfit in the GE overnight. It's hard to know why only some manufacturers offer this feature. The clothes are just washed normally and then spun in the dryer for an extended period of time. Last month, Samsung was offering a 3-year warranty at $1. Interestingly, they don't employ a single technician to support it. They do manufacture good-looking, reliable appliances. However, the knock against Samsung is that problems become your issues. Their support network of customer service, technical service, and technicians is lacking compared to their massive growth. GE, on the other hand, has always had a service department. Haier bought the company for the name, manufacturing, and the service. You might not get a free warranty, but you at least have a technician at your home when problems do occur. Availability has been an issue with appliances for almost 2 years. Both machines are good with similar features. You want to choose a model based on a few features, past experiences, or brand reputation in your area. However, you may want to buy one brand over the other based on availability. Find the store you like and pick the available brand. In a comparison this close, the available washer may be the better choice. Both are good brands with feature-heavy front-load washers. Some of these features you may not need or will never use. GE has the better mold protection package, and on non-Mac dispensers, Samsung has AI-powered cycles. Both have unique cycles and features, so buy depending on what you find valuable. However, if you need a washer now, look at service and availability. You want to make sure what you buy can be fixed in your area, and in a comparison this close, as I said, the available washer may be your best choice. Click the link to download our free washer buying guide. Unfortunately, we all know someone who's been talked into buying the wrong appliances. Don't let that happen to you. Almost 1 million people found the right answers in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.